Leave on left St James Square, left Duke of York Street, left Jermyn Street, right St James Street, left Piccadilly, right Half Moon Street, left Curzon Street, right Queen Street, left Charles Street, right Chesterfield Hill, left South Street, right South Audley Street, left Upper Grosvenor Street, forward Grosvenor Gate, right Park Lane, left and right Cumberland Gate, left Bayswater Road, right Lancaster Terrace, left Gloucester Terrace, left Bishopbridge Road, forward left Bishopbridge Road, right left Bishopbridge Road, right Porchester Road, right Porchester Road, left Westbourne Park Road, right Great Western Road, left Elkstone Road, left Goulburn Road, for Chesterton Road, right Ludbrook Road, left, right and left St Charles Square, right Exmoor Street, hospital on left.